God's plan is like a beautiful tapestry. And the tragedy of being human is that we only get to see it from the back. With all the ragged threads and the muddy colors. We only get a hint at the true beauty that would be revealed if we could see the whole pattern on the other side. As God does.
Matthew, what are you looking for?
Forgiveness.
For what?
Not doing more.
You just said you did everything you could. You're the man I understand you to be. I'm sure that's true.
Then why do I still feel guilty?
Guilt can be a good thing. It's a soul's call to action. The indication that something is wrong. The only way to rid your heart of it is to correct your mistakes and keep going until amends are made.